Boom shakalaka, your last chance for Bitcoin right now. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, your last chance for Bitcoin right now and altcoins too. Before we get into it guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. That's over 7 years in case you can't do math. Now today, dead neutral, 49, up from fear of the past couple days, down from greed of last week. The market doesn't know what to make of things. The overall market up 2% today. Bitcoin is 62,217, Ethereum at 2419, and Solana at 144. Now, Bitcoin bouncing off of the baby-making moving average, the 9-month moving average, this yellow line right here, getting rejected by the blue line, the 21 EMA. Wow. What action for Bitcoin right now, sitting in this volume profile pocket above 61,000 and below roughly $64,000 and the top of this bull flag. So where are things going to go? Well, so far, we've had the worst start for Bitcoin in October in at least 10 years. You can see 2024 down here, by far the worst October in Bitcoin's history. Is this because everybody's expecting October and the price to go up and the halving and the election and everything else? Well, it could be that, and the degen longs betting on that and then getting liquidated. That could be part of it, but maybe not. Who knows? If we take a look for October, generally, it's not until the middle of October, the 16th to the 19th of October, when most of these charts start ticking up, with the exception of 2017 and 2021. The rest of them really don't tick up until later on in October. So while October generally is positive, it's not usually for a while. We did, however, have the best September in Bitcoin's history. And the cool thing about that is that when we do have a green September, generally October, November, December tend to be green as well. So we would expect, based on this, for a green October, November, December, which historically accounts for roughly 40% of Bitcoin's gains during Q4. Exciting. Now, just because the start of the month is bad, we can see over the past year, a lot of months started down pretty low, and then by the end of the month, like May, July, August, September, and hopefully October, price ended going up towards the end of the month. October, special. A lot of people talking about October. It has been the starting month of the parabolic curve blow-off of Bitcoin top in every cycle. How about that? Back here in 2010, 2012, 2013, 2017, 2020, October has been the beginning. Will this time break the trend? There's a 1 in 7 chance that it will. However, there's a 6 in 7 chance that it won't. Now, if we take a look, it does appear like Bitcoin did find a local bottom roughly around $61,000 as it retested the downtrend that was resistance for Bitcoin. Not only that, but we had an oversold of the stock RSI, suggesting, again, local bottom. Historically, this is what's happened. Could it have happened once again? Likely, only time will tell. We do have a breakout of the global liquidity index and its moving average. The global liquidity index here in green, moving average in red. And you can see that each time the global liquidity index breaks above that, well, take a look at what happened previously. Bull run, bull run, bull run. What's going to happen this time? You think it's going to be something different? I don't exactly know. Time will tell. But a lot of charts are suggesting price to go up, as long as degen traders don't make it go down. Now, talking about going down, that's what she said, the biggest Bitcoin crash is coming. Take a look at this. Shoulder, head, shoulders, bam. Except this is an inverted chart, so that would send the price up. That's right, dump it to $500,000. Yeah, let's freaking hope. We also have cup and handle with the measured targets somewhere between the 1.618 fib of 193,000 and the 2 fib of $351,000. And that's not all, because you have to remember, yes, while this cycle we do all want it to go up to $10 billion this year, probably not going to happen. But as long as the world doesn't end, and as long as, Bitcoin isn't some giant backdoor for the Chinese government to destroy global economies, as long as those things don't happen, well, there will be another halving in 2029 and 2034 and 2030, whenever. So, wouldn't it be 2033? I don't know. 2025, 2029, 2033. Yeah, well, anyway, either way, if that happens, the predicted peak would be roughly 198,000 this cycle. However, 99th percentile, and we are all overachievers here on this channel, that's $336,000 this cycle. But next cycle, the predicted peak, $429,000, almost $500,000 per Bitcoin in 5 years. And the 99th percentile, $897,000. And if you can wait for a full 9 years, I know that's a long time because that's probably about 50% of your lifespan so far. But if you can wait that long, guess what? Predicted peak, $1 million for Bitcoin. However, 99th percentile, $2.4 million. So that's for Bitcoin. Altcoins too, looking pretty darn good. We see a breakout and retest of the trend. Also, this falling wedge generally tends to break up. So we could be headed for an alt season very soon, with Dogecoin leading the way. Take a look at this bullish MACD cross for Dogecoin. The last 2 times there was a 90% rally and a 180% rally. On average, that's 270 divided by 2, which is 135% rally, which would send the price just a little bit higher, 22, 25 cents, something like that. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, The Crypto Love, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube says watch that video right there. I put so much effort into it for you guys. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.